Max Your Journey Tribe, what's going on? We got our first snow day. If you haven't seen already, the kids been outside playing all day. I worked, but I got off and we're getting right into a great snow day. Do you like the snow, Audrey, or no?
I like the snow and I go.
Oh, look at this thing. We're out enjoying a beautiful backyard. We got the dog out here. Let me see that ball, Manny. Let me see that ball, boy. Go get it. We are just having fun. Let's see what they got here. A little teeny snowman. LJ and Asher. You guys like snow?
Yes!
Yeah, what's your favorite part, Asher?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes!
Oh man, your face all red. Let's see what Ace is up to. What are you doing? What do you like about the snow?
That you can have a lot of fun in it.
Yeah, I see you guys having a lot of fun. Trampoline jumping. Our beautiful backyard. Living in this country. Look at this.
Ah! Jump!
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.